friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we're going to be learning how to draw Jandel from Grow a Garden Roblox. So first let's get started with the top of the hat here. We're just going to draw on a straight line that comes directly across towards the right. Above this now on both sides, we're just going to draw on a small straight line coming up, ending that at the same height. Now from here again, we're going to close that off with another straight line from left to right. And then stepping in, just drawing two more straight lines coming up towards the top. Now from here, we're going to close that off with another straight line from left to right. And now we're going to come in for the crown. So we're going to step in, we're going to draw in two straight lines coming up towards the top. From that point, we're going to draw a diagonal line coming down towards the center. Now from the point, we're going to bring this diagonal line back up towards the top, finishing that off. And then now we're going to draw in a circle above each point, connecting that together. We're going to come across on a slight diagonal, drawing in another circle on both sides. And then now from that point, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming in on both sides. And then from the top here, we're going to bring this line down. Now let's come up. We're going to draw in a straight line coming across, moving underneath, replicating that. Now let's draw in the top of the torso coming down. So we're going to leave a gap for the head. And on the left-hand side here, we're just going to bring this line straight across towards the right. Now from here, let's draw on the head. So we're going to round out the corner here from the side, bringing this around and then up towards the top. And then we're going to do the same thing on the right. Let's come in on the left-hand side. We're going to draw in a circle for the left eye. And then we're going to leave a gap moving over on the right and just replicating that. And then now from here, we're just going to color those circles in black. And then now we're going to move in towards the center, drawing in a bigger circle. And then again, just coloring in the nose black. Let's draw the smile underneath, coming over on the left, bringing this line around and up on the right. Let's close off the shape of the head now. So on the inside, we're going to curve this line in towards the middle on both sides, ending that at the same height. And then from the inside corner, curving this back around and through towards the bottom again. Now let's draw on the ear. So we're going to draw in a nice big half circle beside the head on both sides. And now starting from the top here on the left, we're going to curve this line back around and through towards the side. Now let's come down and draw in the body. So on both sides, we're going to draw in a straight line that comes down, ending that at the same height. From here, we're going to curve this line in and then back over on the side. Now we're going to start from that corner, curving this line in towards the middle. And then we're going to bring this line straight up towards the top. Let's close this off in the center with a straight line from left to right. And now let's add in the details. So coming over on the top, we're going to draw in a small diagonal line coming out on both sides. And then from that corner, we're going to bring this diagonal line in towards the center. Now from the middle here, we're going to bring this diagonal line across on both sides. And then from that point, we're going to curve this down towards the side. On the right-hand side, we're going to draw in two small circles for the buttons. And then now let's come back up. So over on the left-hand side, we're going to curve this line across towards the right. And then stepping up slightly on this line, we're just going to curve this back through towards the side. Now from the middle, let's draw in our straight line coming down. And then we're going to draw a diagonal line coming through on the left. And then dropping down, we're going to replicate that on the right. Now on the side here, we're going to bring this line up. From the side here, we're going to draw this diagonal line coming through. And then we're going to curve this back over and through towards the side. Let's draw the tie. So we're going to draw in 2 curved lines coming down on a diagonal from the top. And then we're just going to flatten that out with a straight line from left to right. Now from that corner, we're going to bring this line out on a diagonal again. Let's come down. We're going to draw in a curved line arching up. And then we're going to close that off on the bottom, curving that around and back in. Let's move down again, curving that over. And then again, arching this around and back up. Now let's draw in the arm. So we're going to round out the shoulder. We're going to curve this around, down, and out towards the side. We're going to step over on the right hand side, replicating that, bringing this down, over, and across. Let's step down on the inside here. We're going to curve this line down, ending that at the same height as the line on the outside. And then we're just going to flatten that out on the bottom with a straight line from left to right. Let's move up again. We're going to draw in another straight line that comes directly across. Now let's draw on the hand. We're going to curve this line down and bringing that up. We're going to round this out, so we're going to curve this around and down. And then again on the side here, just curving this around and then back up towards the top. Now let's come down for the legs. So we're going to start from the center here, drawing a diagonal line coming out on the left. We're going to do the same thing on the right, ending that at the same height. Let's move in. We're going to draw another diagonal line moving through towards the center. And again, just leaving a gap as we come down towards the bottom. Now we're going to curve this line around and across for the bottom of the foot. From the side here, arching this line up, back down towards the inside. And then on both sides, we're just going to bring this line up towards the top. Now let's move across. We're going to draw in a straight line coming over on both sides on the top of the leg. And then from the bottom here, we're just going to curve this around and through towards the top on the inside. Let's move down again. We're going to draw in 2 straight lines as we move down. And then we're going to do the same thing on the left, just lining that up at the same height as the line on the inside. Let's draw on the sword coming in behind now. So we're going to draw 2 diagonal lines coming out from behind the right ear. Let's draw a diagonal line coming down, closing off the top. We're going to do the same, leaving a gap, bringing that across. And then now from here, we're going to draw in a straight line on the top and the bottom, closing off our rectangle there. Let's draw in a square on the top. So we're going to draw in 2 more diagonal lines coming out. And then we're going to close that off on the top as well. In the center now, we're going to draw in a circle, coloring that in black. And then from corner to corner, we're just going to bring our diagonal line right through that circle. Let's continue as we come down now. So we're going to draw in a diagonal line on the top, dropping down, bringing that over and in towards the ear again. And then now we're just going to close that off on the side. Now from here, let's draw a diagonal line coming up. Let's continue the sword behind. We're going to draw a diagonal line in this open space. Underneath the hand, we're going to bring this diagonal line down and then across. And then we're going to bring that back up on the side towards the leg. From that middle point, we're just going to bring this diagonal line back through towards the jacket. And then now all we have left to do is draw in the tail. So on the top, we're going to curve this line down, around, and we're going to spiral this back through towards the side. We're going to follow the shape, so we're going to round out the end here, curving this around, and we're just going to follow this as we come all the way through and up on the side of the leg. And that is it. That's how you draw Jandel from Girl Garden Roblox. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thank you so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I'll see you all on the next one.